हाय गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। सो आज का जो वीडियो है वो फिर से एक काफ़ी रिलायबल ब्रांड है टोयोटा, उसकी एक कार है। सो दिस इज़ अ टोयोटा कोरोला ओल्ड मॉडल एंड दीज आर वेरी रिलायबल कार गाइस। तो क्या होता है ना कि काफ़ी साल तक आप उसको यूज़ करने के बाद आपको लगता है कि इसकी कंडीशन ठीक नहीं लग रही है फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड इवन फ्रॉम इनसाइड, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंजन एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द कार वो काफ़ी रिलायबल है, तो आप उसको बेचना नहीं चाहते हैं। सो व्हाट टू डू, आइदर यू सेल इट एट अ वेरी चीप वैल्यू और समथिंग better option which is available, which now we will show you in this video। तो ये एक ओल्ड कोरोला है जिसको हमने कम्प्लीटली कस्टमाइज़ किया है, हमने मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं किया है। वी हैव केप्ट द शेप सेम बट वी हैव कस्टमाइज इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इनसाइड। सो लेट मी शो यू द वीडियो ऑफ दिस कार। सो गाइज यू कैन सी कि एक ओल्ड मॉडल टोयोटा कोरोला है। इसकी हेडलाइट, ग्रिल, बम्पर्स, काफ़ी सारे चीज़ें हैं जो वोर्न आउट हो चुके हैं ओवर द ईयर ऑफ यूजेज। But when the car came to us, we drove the car and we saw that the performance and of the engine and overall condition and health of the car was in a very good shape. So customer didn't wanted to sell, so he said what to do. So you can see the rear bumper and everything has come out, even quarter panel पे भी काफ़ी damages है। So we said as long as the engine is good, we can actually work on the car and try to give you again a brand new showroom condition car. So that is what we have done. We have painted this car in a very different shade. Also matching to that, we have done the interior also of this car. So you can check the interior of this car. It's the same grey and beige which was given by the company. So it's not in a very bad shape, but now when we are modifying the car from outside or we are painting the car from outside, so we thought कि interior में भी हम कुछ changes करें as per the outside. So when the customer sits inside, he feels that कि interior भी almost नए जैसा है. So we have customized the interior as well. There are things like seat cover, door pad, steering, armrest और ये जितनी भी चीज़ें वो तो हमने custom made किया हुआ है. But again the touch screen and everything adds lot of value. So we have replaced it with the Android player. So when you sit inside the car also आपको काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा। कार में आपने देखा है कि काफ़ी मतलब लीकेज का इशू भी है। So you can see at the rear seat काफ़ी पानी जमा हुआ है। So there is a leakage in the car. So we will be working on that also. So जो भी पहले बॉडी वर्क है उसको हम कंप्लीट करेंगे। Once that is perfectly sorted, only then we will do the painting job. And when we use the material for the painting, again these are all imported, made in Germany. तो क्वालिटी आपको काफ़ी अच्छे मिलने वाली है और इसकी लाइफ भी काफ़ी अच्छी रहेगी। So guys, now you can see this car is completely ready। और ये जो कोरोला है हमने इसको स्कोडा सुपर्ब के कलर में पेंट किया हुआ है। तो आपने देखा होगा कि ये वाला जो कलर है वो स्कोडा सुपर्ब में काफ़ी हिट हुआ था। So the same color shade we have used for this Corolla, and guys, if you see this in person, you'll definitely feel that it's almost like a brand new showroom condition। और ये काफ़ी रिलायबल गाड़ी है। तो आप अगर देखेंगे कि कोरोला जो है टोयोटा की है गाड़ियाँ है, प्लस there are many other such cars which are very reliable and you don't want to sell it, but then you also get bored of using the same car with the same looks, with the same interior। तो what to do? So you can call us because we have lot of options for such cars। अभी आप ये देखेंगे तो दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ब्रांड न्यू कार एंड व्हाट वी हैव डन इज़ वी हैव जस्ट पेंटेड द कार फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। फ्यू ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट नीडेड रिप्लेसमेंट वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड इट, एंड द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग डन इन दिस कार इज़ द इंटीरियर विच इज़ वेरी मच मैचिंग विद द कार का एक्सटीरियर। सो लेट मी शो यू द इंटीरियर ऑफ दिस कार। सो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसका कंप्लीट इंटीरियर जो है वो हमने ब्लैक और एक चेरी रेड टैन बोल सकते हैं आप उसको, उसमें हमने किया हुआ है। सो दिस color of interior is very much matching with the exterior paint job और काफ़ी स्पोर्टी लग रही है। और मुझे पर्सनली भी दिस combination is looking very good and I have personally liked this। You can see the roof, even roof has been done in black, so to match the interior there is no other shade except for the seat belts, but because it's Corolla we don't have black seat belts। Rest of the things you can see, the seat is in composite leather but very premium quality। इवन आर्मरेस्ट, जो भी चीज़ आप टच करेंगे जैसे कि हैंड रेस्ट हो गया, गियर नॉब हो गया, स्टीयरिंग व्हील है, वो सब आपको जेन्युइन लेदर में मिलेगा। वी हैवंट डन एनी वुडन फिनिश बिकॉज द इंटीरियर इज़ वेरी स्पोर्टी, so we wanted to keep it in piano black। And you can see there is a touchscreen also which has been installed। So now when you will sit inside the car, definitely you will get a brand new feeling। और प्लस आपको एंड्रॉयड प्लेयर भी मिल रहा है, तो वो भी एक आपको अच्छा फीलिंग आएगा. So that's what I said कि any such cars that you feel that you want to use and you don't want to sell it away, because I'm sure you don't get good value for that. So you can call us, and wherever possible we can help you with the packages available. And a lot of times you feel that we are not able to answer the calls because there are a lot of call flows. So what you can do is you can just drop a message on WhatsApp. We have Mumbai number is 7666 Hyderabad number is 7666 In case if you feel कि ये दोनों नंबर पे आपको कॉल्स आंसर नहीं हो रहे या रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है, बिकॉज these two numbers are directly interacted by customers, तो बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर कॉल फ्लो होता है, तो definitely sometimes we might miss. You can use the other number. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any such thing, please do call us, and if possible visit us also. Thank you once again.
Good evening everyone, this is Bhaval here from Autorounders. I am with Samrat Ahire. And Samrat, go ahead, tell us about yourself and the car.
So first time when I thought to renovate the car, I searched some videos on YouTube or Google. So when I found Autorounders, there are lots of good car modification I have seen. So when I seen video, I didn't feel honestly it will happen as shown in the video. But when I seen your facility or your workshop, then I was sure I'll get the car what I'm looking for. So we had an initial discussion to help me in terms of which color car suit on this model.
This color you'll see one of a kind in India, I think.
So this is the only Toyota Corolla with maroon color with maroon Ventone interior. So it will help me in selecting not only color but what type of color in inside also will go. What type of glass finish or what type of accessory I could add it. One significant difference which I felt in terms of the color quality. I seen multiple vendors also before to you, and the color quality is absolutely fine. If you want to go for exterior paint, don't search anywhere. Just come to Autorounders. You'll get the 100% satisfaction. That's for sure. As an honest customer, for you.
Thank you so much.
And for interior also, lots of changes I asked him, and he done almost everything whatever I asked.
There are some embroideries we put in the stage, but yeah.
So I'm 100% happy, and I believe whenever I'll go for the next car, first thing what I'll do, come to the Autorounder for the modification and all the things. So I'll recommend you to see their YouTube video, and to go with your existing car. Please do renovate with Autorounders. You will be happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.